Joining us here in the studio today, we have CW from Pace Edwards, and he's going to be telling us about some new products on the market that you're going to see here first. CW, can you tell us about this Bluetooth application for the tonneau cover?
Sure, Allie, thanks for having us out. Always in the years past, all manufacturers that have electric covers offer an optional key fob to come standard with it, so it's something big and bulky. The consumer has to carry around in their pocket, and they can accidentally open it, or they go outside and they forget it. So what we've been developing for the last couple of years and with our technology partner is a Bluetooth application. What it is, it's just very simple to use. There's an app you can download on Android or iOS. Push the button, connect, push a button, open from your phone. You don't have to carry your remotes. Everybody uses their phones for everything, starting up the car, turning on the lights in the house, or the alarms. So now they can operate from off their phone. You can open and close it, stop at any point, just like you do with our normal key fobs. It's a very simple operation.
Okay, so I'm curious, what does this app connect to make this whole process work?
There's a module. It just screws into the front of the canister. You connect the existing wiring from the module to the existing wiring in the tonneau cover, and that's all there is to it. It's just basically a plug and play. Download the app, you sync it up with your phone, open and closed, and you're ready to roll. The beauty of this is that they only work on the Pace Edwards because Pace Edwards has always had two pigtails coming out of the canister. One is for power, the other was for an optional switch. Some consumers wanted a switch in the back of the truck and some one on the dash. So our module just hooks up to the existing wiring, and it's a very simple plug and play. The other great thing about it is you can go back and retrofit this on any Pace Edwards electric cover, even from 10 years ago. So it's just something else for the consumer. It's industry leading, nobody else has this, nobody else can really do it because of the way our canister is designed.
So this is the only product like this on the market at this time?
Yes.
Is this app compatible with any device?
Yes, it'll work for any Android or Apple device. You go to the App Store and look up Power Touch Cover, download the app, sync it up with your phone, and then just put in a code that's your own personal code, and just open and close, touch of a button, you're ready to roll.
If you're interested in purchasing the module and the Bluetooth app for electric tonneau covers by Pace Edwards, check out the dealer locator below and subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.